Today we are working on Excel Lesson 6, the 6th lesson, Adding New Data Series. So this is the document you should have opened up. It says that if necessary, click Sheet 1 Worksheet tab. So you can see there are two different worksheet tabs, so it wants you to click Sheet 1. Scroll up and click the column H header to select the entire column. You can see how that's selected. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Insert. So here's your Cells group over here. We're going to click Insert, and that adds a whole new column. Enter the following new data into the worksheet. So in H4, we're going to type July. H5, 10,000. H6, 4,000. H7, 2,000. H8 is 10,000. H9 is 8,000. 10 is 6,000. And 11 is 1,000. Notice that the sum formulas in column 1 were automatically changed to include this new column. However, the sum formula in cell H12 has to be copied from the cell next to it. So copy the formula in cell G12 to H12. So the way I'm going, there's several different ways. You can go up here, you can click here and select it and copy it and paste it. I'm going to click on this bottom right hand corner and drag it over to this, and you can see that this now is the sum of this column. So whichever way you wanted to do it is fine. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Click the Chart 1 Worksheet tab. Under Chart Tools on the Design tab in the Data group, click Select Data. So click in the Chart Design and then select Data. I got two monitors and it went to the other monitor. A marquee boundary line appears around the top, around the range of A4 to G11. You see that little marching ants? That's what it's talking about, which is the data currently displayed in the chart. You can change it by simply selecting the entire cell range, including the new column of data to be used for the chart. So select the cell range A4 to H11 in sheet 1. So A4 to H11. You could have also changed the cell reference directly by typing in the new cell range in the chart data range text box. Up here you could have typed that in here, up there. Click OK. The chart is now updated with this new data. Mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. 2 green check marks, and this completes adding new data series.